Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete process of playing Clash Royale on your PC using Google Play Games Beta. To begin, open Google Chrome and search for Google Play PC or Google Play Games PC. From the search results, click on the official Google Play Games website. Once you're on the site, look for the button that says Download Beta and click it. Your download will start automatically. When the download finishes, go to the downloaded location, then double-click to open it. A setup window will appear where you can choose your installation location. You can change it if you like, or simply keep the default option. Click Install to start the installation. After the process completes, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google Play account. Make sure to use the account where you want to save your progress and purchases. Once signed in, head to the search bar at the top of the application and type Clash Royale. The game should appear immediately. Select it and begin downloading. When the installation finishes, you're ready to enjoy Clash Royale on your PC. Congratulations, now you can experience the game on a bigger screen with the added benefit of keyboard and mouse support. If you found this guide helpful, remember to hit the like button, subscribe the channel for more easy tutorials, and hit the notification icon as well. Thanks for watching.